minutes time. We'll just set up the instruments here. We'll go to the final activity for tonight. That is the Battle of the Bands. Okay, I'm sure you'll enjoy it tonight. Okay, merong mga original compositions, merong secular songs. So hindi lahat ng songs tonight will be religious. Merong rap, merong new wave, lahat-lahat, halo-halo. Okay ba yun?
Oh, welcome to Laguna. Okay, ito mo ang Mount Makiling. Welcome. Wala na, gilabay na. Balik pa, balik. Oh, balik dahil. Balik dito, balik. Tuyok. Dito na. Dragon. Hello, this is from Laguna. So, welcome kayo po sa... Dito sagad dito. Then, para yan. Tama na rin sa kuwago. Uy, alam mo kung kanya? Joel. Okay, dito. That's cool. That's cool. Joel.
Live on Mars and serve the earth. Cultivation, it's the word of life. Just think about the people something trying to strive for survival. That's the mission. Conserve energy while I'm thinking human race to degradation. That's true, that's a fact. Let's go seek this one and zero going back. Kids will kill us sanctuary and I'm in this planet. One, man up, line and I can't go. Get all you need to make it so we ain't got much time. Then we'll be stopping the show, it's unique. So cooler to do. Conservation is up in making things true blue. So would you like? What's doing it all? Conservation is up making things for due time. Yeah! That's a wrap from Mother Earth. That's a wrap from Mother Earth. That's a wrap from Mother Earth. Let's save this planet. Together we can do it. That is the sound check. Thank you.
Entries, may napili tayong 10 finalists. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, kilala nyo sila. Hihingi namin na huwag nyong isigaw kung saan sila galing. Kasi ayaw natin na malaman ng judges. Yung judges kasi nandyan eh. Pwedeng kumuha yung judges. Nahinto-hintong manggulo, si Paulo San Diego, yung kanina nag-MC sa parada, at saka yung kasama niya si Hazel Lorenze. Palakpakan niyo lang sila. Alright. Good evening, brothers and sisters. Ready na ba kayo mag-jamin?
Yeah!
Jamin?
Yeah!
Okay.
Are you ready to party?
Yes.
Grabe. Talagang panggulo sila dito sa...
Bukas ka ata ngayon.
Anyway.
Jamming tayo. Bukas yung
Wala
party.
Tama nga yung sinabi ni Kuya Rafi eh. Kami yung... That's true. Hindi, Christ is like this. Lord kasi yun eh, Christ. Son of
Hazel,
God.
simulan mo na, Hazel.
Anyway.
Simulan na natin.
Nanggugulo talaga sila.
Okay.
Nanggugulo lang talaga ako dito.
Ito yung criteria para malaman natin kung para tayo, feeling natin, judges din. Okay ba yun?
Okay!
Okay. Yung unang criteria, song content or message. Ibig sabihin, kailangan may sense yung kakantahin nila. Hindi lang basta bara-bara lang, di ba? Bibisayahin daw ni Ate Rowana.
Ang mensahe sang iyang kantahon, dapat hindi sang barabara. Dapat, kilig to the bones. Hasta sa ato nga tigipusoon, masulod ang silingon sang kanta ngayon na.
Right. Ang gulo talaga siya. Anyway, the next is Audience Impact.
Binuo nila yung band para lang dito sa YFC conference.
Yeah.
So talagang pinaghanda nila mabuti. So,
Brothers and sisters, let's all welcome
The White Lines.
Wala pa ka